The old Dodge, the newest project. Gotta get this going before winter. I'll need it, seeing that my Ford decided to die on me. This one needs is a new hood, new bumper, both of which are over there in a pile. A little bit of paint, box empty, and a new transmission. Original trans went 404,000 kilometers, so it didn't owe anyone anything anymore. To pull it out of the trees though, probably pull it right there to start working on it. Gonna need to get the white spray paint out for some of these other parts for it. But yeah, it's not too bad. I don't know if that transmission is right for it, for sure. I'm gonna have to triple check. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. I have to tow it out of the trees that it's stuck in with that one. Got that truck hooked up to it. Put it in neutral, even though it's only neutrals. Okay, let's get her off those blocks there. Ease into it. Don't want to rip the perfectly good bumper off. Okay. Oh, she's in there good. Oh my God. Do a little bit of a tug. There we go. Okay, I guess we need a 4-low for this. Oh, God damn it. This one's a little sticky sometimes. There we go. And we're off. There we go. There we go. Ran over the bumps. And the pile of Dodge parts. Okay, let's check the damage. We seem to have put the bumper almost back to where it was by pulling on it. So let's assess the damage. Well, it's got some weight reduction there. This is good up here though, except for the ways it's not. This is okay from where I'm from. This is fine. I got a bunch of white paint to fix this with. Box full of garbage from the past 13 years. This truck does start, by the way. We started it last year. Gonna spray paint that. I could probably get these fixed because it's just the bottoms that are wrecked right now. And some more weight reduction. Fender flares will fix that. Fender flares will fix that up real good. Yeah, all the stuff is still here for it except the radio. All the wiring for it is still back here. Cup holder right back there behind the intake tube. Need a new heat cold switcheroo button. And this thing could be glued back up or something. I don't know. We'll figure that out. We got to put the old dust remover on here. That'll do it on this side almost. Just got the front left now. I did the other side already. Got some paint on it. Gotta paint that hood next. Get the bumper ready. That's part one.